Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable call forwarding on your iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your settings app. From here scroll down until you find your phone app and then tap on it. Now from here go to call forwarding. Now iPhone will check if you already have a call forwarding active or not. If not, you will get the option to enable it. So from here just tap here to enable it, and then you'll get another option which is forward to. Now tap here and then type in the phone number that you want to forward to, and once done just tap on the back button, and now we have activated call forwarding on this phone. And if we go back and come back here again, you can see that call forwarding is now active. Now to disable it, all you have to do is come back to the same place and then go to call forwarding and then tap on this button again to disable call forwarding on your iPhone. And that is how you can enable or set up call forwarding on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.